Hello and I welcome you to today's episode. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through how to practically track your goods on a Pinduoduo mobile app. Pinduoduo is one of the import portals that many importers can source, procure, and ship top-notch products from. So in this very episode, I'm just going to walk you through how you can track your goods when you place a successful order on the Pinduoduo mobile app and know as to whether or not your goods has been delivered to your shipping agent. So without much ado, I pick my smartphone, the one that I'm going to be using to track my goods on a Pinduoduo mobile app. So this the Pinduoduo mobile app on my smartphone. So I open it. So this is the home page of the Pinduoduo mobile app. In my subsequent tutorials, I'll be giving you an in-depth knowledge to knowing how to navigate your way around the Pinduoduo mobile app. So when you come to the interface, just as you can see, what you need to do is to go and click on the dashboard. So I click on the dashboard, and it brings me to this very interface. So from this interface, you can see that you can see Money Smile at the very far top. This should tell you that yes, I have downloaded and installed the Pinduoduo mobile app, or I have a successful account on Pinduoduo. So in order for us to track and know the whereabouts of my goods as to whether it is in transit or it has been delivered to my shipping agent, from this interface, you see where we have the van and we have one. So I click at that part. So the item that I have placed a successful order on Pinduoduo is what you are seeing. So I click on the item. It brings us to the next interface. So in order for us to track and know its whereabouts, what we have to do is to click the very far top where we have the van. So I click there. Then it opens to this very interface. So from this interface, I'm going to show you the order number and the tracking number. So I click at this very part to collapse it to know the movement of my goods. I click there. Now it has collapsed. So you can see from this top, from this very point, how the movement of the goods went to when the supplier packaged the goods and it started moving on its way to my shipping agent's warehouse. So it moves and on it moves. So you can see it successfully. Now from the top where it indicates green, you can see that there is a particular side that has checked. Yes, it indicates that the goods has been received by my shipping agent in China. Now, when you get to this interface, which one is the tracking number? So the tracking number is the one that starts with the JT52298. So in order for you to copy the tracking number, what you need to do is to click at the right corner where you see it circled. I click there. It means you see that a pop-up came, which means the tracking number has been copied successfully. So you can copy the tracking number and go and give it to your shipping agent. So upon they taking delivery of your goods, they will inform you that they've taken delivery of your goods, and it will also guide you to knowing the very goods your shipping agent has taken delivery of it. Now, when it comes to the real time, the very top, where you have the green line, that one gives you a real time tracking when the van is on its way or is in transit to your shipping agent. If, for instance, your item has not been delivered yet, or your shipping agent hasn't taken delivery of your goods, or in other words, your goods is on its way to your shipping company's warehouse, you would realize that where it is green, it will not be green, but it will be dotted. It will be dotted, meaning it is still on its way to your shipping company's warehouse. On the other hand, too, if they've taken delivery of it, this is how the interface is supposed to look like. When they take delivery, you come and see the check button here. You come and see the check here, and it means they've taken delivery of your goods. I want to open my chart. When I copied the tracking number, I sent it to my shipping agent, and when they took delivery, how it all went through. So I open, I communicate with my shipping agent via WhatsApp. So let me set for my shipping agent. So you can see that I sent the tracking number on Monday. So it was the same tracking number that we saw. Let's go back and go check it. So this is the tracking number on Pinduoduo, what I copied. And on Monday, I sent it to my shipping agent. I'm shipping this by air. Then I later asked, I didn't even ask them. They took a picture of it and sent it to me that they've taken delivery of it. They've received it. Let me zoom it so that we can see. So you can see the same tracking number under the barcode, which is the JT52298 in that order. So that is the tracking number for this very goods. When you look at it at the down part too, you can see Morning Smile. Yeah, it's there. So Morning Smile GH, we do the nitty-gritty. We train people to knowing how they can buy, pay, and ship top-notch products from Pinduoduo, from 1688, JD, Taobao, and so on and so forth. If you find value in this very episode, I'll plead with you to hit on the subscribe button if today is your first time coming across my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, I'll plead with you to like, comment, and share for other viewers to also fall in love with my channel. If, for instance, you have any other question other than what I have presented, then stay tuned, as in my subsequent tutorial, I'll share top-notch tutorials with you. You can follow Money Smile GH on WhatsApp channel, on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, or you can check in my DM, and whatever question you have, whatever challenge you have as far as e-commerce is concerned, I will be your bus stop to whatever challenge you are having as far as importation business is concerned. See you in my next episode.